is a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, hope you don't mind that I put down in words how wonderful life is while you're in the world. Welcome to Music Lessons with MusiKon Productions. My name is Waldo Diaz, and this is our free music lesson for you. Hi, welcome once again to our class with MusiKon Productions. Today we'll be talking in our second class already of something that we call chords. And chord means when you have more than one note played at the same time. For example, this is a chord, or this is a chord, or this is a chord, or this is a chord. So there are different types of chords. But today we'll be looking mainly at those called triads. So they are made out of 3 notes. We already studied that our fingers have numbers, right? Now, for these chords, we're gonna be playing with right hand so far, with the first finger, with the third finger, and with the fifth finger. Our thumb is gonna tell us the name of this chord. For example, if we call C chord, then we play every other key, always playing 1, 3, and 5. Now we do the same thing from F. Let's count if you don't remember. C, D, E, F. And now from F we do the same thing. We also start with the first finger, then with the third, every other key, and then with the fifth finger. And we play again every other key. The root, the third, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, the fifth. 1, 3, 5. Fingers are little kids. They don't know what to do. They are very weak. They do whatever they want to. And we have to guide them a little bit, because it takes for them to be stronger and to be able to connect with our brain. We gotta be patient. Remember, we need to be good parents here, okay? If you're not able to do with the fifth finger, then try 1 and 3 only, like this. C, for example, C and then E together. F, well, thumb on F, then F and A together, okay? And so on. After that, you're gonna try to put the fifth. So 1, 3, and then 5. And little by little, they will become stronger and will be easier for you every time you do it. Once again, if you make a mistake, I don't care, just try, okay? Pinky promise. There you go. We're gonna learn today a song. This way we can learn the notes on the keys. Today we're gonna talk also about modes, right? When these chords are happy or sad. For example, C, We already said that the thumb is gonna tell you the name. Okay, thumb on C. We play it, and then we say, oh, this sounds happy, right? Because this one would be sad. That means when it's happy, it's major. Therefore, these chords are gonna have name and last name. For example, C major chord. Okay, we're gonna do the same now from F. F, thumb on the F, then we play every other key at the same time. Ear training. Is this major or minor? Happy or sad, right? Well, this is gonna be, what do you think? This is major, so it's gonna be F major chord, okay? Name and last name. That's the way we musicians speak. Another chord. We're gonna do the same thing now from G. And then, thumb again, G, we play it, and it sounds happy. Therefore, this is G major. And now we're gonna do the same from A. How does it sound now? Okay, let's compare this to this. Oh, this is happier. So now in white keys, we have A minor. Let's review. F is gonna be now our first chord. C is gonna go down. Then a trick here because we're gonna go to A minor, but we have to jump a little bit going up. The fifth finger is gonna be G, so next is gonna be A. We go here, then A, and then next to it is gonna be G, and again we repeat this like in a loop, right? So it's gonna be F, C, G, right? And we combine major chords and minor chords, and this is gonna make a song. Then we're gonna count 4 beats on each chord. For example, F 2 3 4, C 2 3 4, A 2 3 4, G 2 3 4, right? And if it's too hard for you, you can start without counting. So your fingers and your side get used to it. However, when you start counting, trick for you. When you count 3, get out of the chord, look for the next one. When you count 1, then you are ready to play. Remember the sequence is F major, C major, A minor, G major. And we start all over again. F2, in 3 I go to C2, 3 go and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 is looking for the next one to sing 1, 2 again, through 3, 4 and then, sorry, I made a mistake. Let's do it again. You see, even I make mistakes. Guys, that's the beauty of it, okay? Making mistakes, allow yourself to make mistakes. That's the only way we can learn. Frustration, that word doesn't exist for me, okay? So let's try it again. F2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Repeat it again and then 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and then 1 and 2. And we having fun here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you get it, okay? With time and practice. There's a lot of songs with this specific sequence, but today we're gonna learn a song that I think is great and a very good video, so I recommend it. Capital Cities, Safe and Sound. I could lift you up, I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my love, even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. Always the same. We're gonna play it now with both hands. The left hand is gonna do only the note that gives the name to the chord. Let me be clear about this. Left hand, organize those fingers in a way that you don't have to think about them. That way, we can only think about the change on the right. Let's do this. F with the third finger on the left. F, then spread it a little bit to a fifth, C, and then A, and then G. My fingers don't move from there, just up and down, okay? A, C, and G again. And now we're gonna play both hands. Slow down. F, 2, 3. We move the right. Left hand is gonna wait for the right to be ready. And then once you are on top of the C, then you play both hands. Remember, left hand is only one note. Then you go to the A with the right and then play A on the bass. And go to G with the right and then G with the left. Let's repeat it. Move the right and we play with the left. The left keeps playing. Don't leave the finger. That way, when you move the right hand, it doesn't feel like a gap. Because we want music. We don't want silence right now. Even though silence is part of music, like it is part of life. However, right now, we're gonna try to create the illusion that there is no interruption. So therefore, when you play F, you change the right, but you keep the left down. C. Keep the left down until you are ready with the right, and then you play A. So one finger after the other. Let's do it again. F. Ready with the right, and then C. Ready with the right, and then we play with the left. Ready with the right, and then G. And then we can sing. I could lift you up. I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. Bum, bum, ba-da-da, bum, bum. We're safe and sound. Bum, bum, ba-da-da, bum, bum. We're safe and sound. For today, that is gonna be enough. Only by learning this sequence of chords, only white keys, you're learning more than one song at once. That is amazing. And this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed your class. And remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget about it. I could lift you up. I could show you what you wanna see and take you where you wanna be. You could be my luck. Even if the sky is falling down, I know that we'll be safe and sound. We're safe and sound. We're safe and sound. Hold your ground. Safe and sound. Safe and sound. Safe and sound. Then we rest. Wish you a happy practice and see you next time here at MusiKon.